Hi everyone, this is Rohi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipsticks by Sugar Cosmetics. I only have one shade from them. This is going to be a very short review but a detailed review. I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about these lipsticks so you can choose your shade. Sugar gives the swatch of 3 different skin tones on their website, so you can refer to that. But on the detailed texture, on the formula, on the consistency, on the long lasting, on the longevity of this lipstick, I'm going to tell you how it behaves. So without any further ado, let's get started. This one retails for 699 rupees, and let me start by talking about the packaging. This is a beautiful packaging. It's a matte black kind of velvety finish packaging. It's very luxurious, it looks very classy. I love the packaging of this product. So I purchased only one shade, the Cranberries. I've been looking forward to buy this one of the lipsticks from this collection from a long time, but I don't know why I could not. I'm gonna tell you that you are never gonna regret buying this lipstick. It's a kind of bullet lipstick, right? It's not a liquid lipstick at all, but it's transfer proof. The lipstick is so long lasting, it's so velvety on your lips, it feels so smooth, so creamy, it glides on so smoothly, it's not drying at all, and you would feel comfortable. It would last easily for 8+ hours on your lips. And the color of the lipstick that it gives you right after application, this lip color stays true for the entire day. It depends on you, right, how you eat, and what you eat. If you're eating oily food, it might fade away from the center of your lips a little bit. I'm not a lipstick eater person, so that on again depends on how you wear your lipstick and how you maintain it. It has lasted on me for more than 10 hours, and the color has stayed true all day until I could wear it. I am totally in love with this lipstick because this is worth every penny. It's just one swipe pigmentation. I'm going to show you how. It's just one swipe pigmentation. You do not have to layer it up, just swipe it once and the color is there. It's very extremely pigmented. So when it comes to lipsticks, we all know that Sugar Cosmetics has been one of the brands, one of the best #1 brands in India, which has got lipsticks with highly pigmented ones, right? And all their lipsticks, talking about the bullet lipsticks, talking about the liquid lipsticks, talking about any kind of lipstick that Sugar sells, they are always the most pigmented ones, and they always have one swipe pigmentation. This lipstick is also the same, and the best part is it's transfer proof. Even after being a creamy matte kind of lipstick, it's completely matte. You can see on my lips it's completely matte. You can see there is no transfer at all whatsoever, like zero transfer. And I totally love the lipsticks which do not transfer, because I really don't like sipping a cup of coffee and my lipstick sticking around the glass. So once you apply the lipstick, you gotta let it sit for about 30 seconds, maximum 30 seconds that I'm talking about, maximum 30 seconds. And then once it's set, it's just set, dude. It's smudge proof, it's budge proof, it's waterproof, it won't fade away, it's gonna last a long time. Now, you can remove this lipstick using micellar water or coconut oil, whatever you have with you. Or I think if you use a face wash, if your face wash is kind of strong, this lipstick might come off if you rub your lips with that. And let's see what Sugar has to say about these lipsticks. Sugar Cosmetics Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick features a creamy, non-drying and water-resistant formula that settles to an opaque matte finish within 30 seconds. Available in 10 rich and long-lasting colors, enriched with jojoba oil for lip nourishment. The benefits: creamy and lightweight lip color featuring a comfortable non-drying finish, contains jojoba oil that reduces fine lines, wrinkles, and also moisturizes your lips. This product is free from parabens and fragrance. This product is 100% vegan. I agree to whatever Sugar has to say about these lipsticks, and the best part about Sugar Cosmetics lipsticks are they are dermatologically tested, they are paraben free, and they are vegan, 100% vegan. So that's the best part about it. That was my short little review on Matte Attack Transfer Proof lipsticks. I hope you got whatever you wanted to see about this lipstick. If you like my video, please give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.